I'll be showing how to use the new Tasks app in Microsoft Teams. This has brought together Planner and To-Do tasks into one handy app, and it's just rolled out to all of Office 365. So I'm here in a team, and I'm going to go to the ... menu, and I'm going to go choose Planner. If you don't see it there, just search for it and it should show up. Now I'm here in the Planner app, and up at the banner, this is important to see. Your Planner tasks and To-Do tasks are now in one place. And pretty soon they're going to change the name of this app to Tasks. And right now it's called Planner, but that'll change over time. So if you see the P for Planner, this is going to change to Tasks over time, but everything's in one place. Now to show what's on the page, first off, here are my tasks. So I'm signed in. I've got my task list here. Got a set of tasks. You can see the title, priority, and due date. Now, if I just want to add a task, I go right here to add a task. I click, and let's say I'm going to add myself a new task. Get conference materials ready. I can set a priority, we'll make that medium, set a quick due date, and then I just click the check mark, and I just added my new task, get conference materials ready. And it's really easy. If I want to check this off as I'm complete, I just go like this, and those are just some basic task management aspects of right here. And that works the same in Planner. You can also go to these smart filters. So if I just want to see my important tasks, this filters, you can see these are important, things that are planned out in the future. Now I can also filter in the upper right. If I go to the filter list here, maybe I want to just look at the high priority tasks. I'll click that and you can see it just has priority tasks. Or I could do things like do today or tomorrow. So it allows me to filter on different aspects and I'll clear those out. The other one is this drop down. I can see active versus completed. So if I want to see completed tasks, there's one that I did, or I can go back to all active. Now, if you wonder where do all these tasks live, the Tasks or To-Do app is actually part of Office 365. I'll just switch to show that briefly. I'm here in Office 365, and if I go to the lower left and click All Apps and I go into To-Do, there's the full task list. That's the list that's pulling into my Tasks app in Teams, and we'll just switch back to Teams. Now, the other part it brings in are Planner tasks, which are shared in a group. So here's a Pineview School Science Teachers. This is a team I'm part of. And there's a back to school planning. Let's click here. Now this brings in everything from Planner, which is really nice. If you haven't used Planner, it's a great app. And you can see there's a bunch of people here. It's who's assigned to, the titles, the priority, the due date. And Planner also has the filters right here for active and completed, as well as some of the other filters I showed. But Planner also has the board. So if I switch to board, this is a nice board of all the group's tasks. So I've made buckets here, not started, in progress, and completed. And so let's say this one here, when Patty's done, she can drag her task over here to in progress, and there's some flags and other information on here, but this is really nice for tracking the different tasks in a visual way. I'll put that back. You can also switch over to charts. Charts gives you a really nice breakdown of the different status, the buckets. You can see what's late, what's in progress, what's completed, who's working on what. This is all part of Planner, but this is now built right into Teams in your Tasks app. And lastly, you can even visualize it by schedule. So here's a nice calendar to see the different tasks and what is happening on each day. And you have the buckets over here on the right. So Planner is really nice to bring these things in. And if you have multiple teams you're part of, if I expand these, you can see there's different task lists for plans. So these are all right here. I can even create new lists or plans. So if I go to the bottom and click this, the plus, it asks me, what do I want to create? So maybe I want to create a new list or plan, and we're going to give it a quick name. Maybe we'll do conference planning, and instead of creating it in my tasks, we're going to create this in the Pineview School staff team, and we're just going to put it into the general channel, and I'll click create. Now, if I was in a team, you could see that it gets pinned. Now, before I leave here, I'm going to show a quick tip. I want to pin Planner. I'm going to right click and pin here. So now I've pinned my app right here. So when I switch to Teams, it won't disappear. Planner is still there. So I'm going to go to Teams and we'll go over here into Pineview Staff. Now you can see here is that plan that I just created. So it's pinned to the general channel. And there's my plan ready to go. I can add new buckets and all those great things that you can do in Planner. If you found this video useful, give it a like. Now, if you want to keep up with all the latest quick tip videos that I'll keep releasing, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get notified for all the new videos that post.